Are you wondering if you could build a raised bed planter out of reclaimed materials? If so, you are in the right place. Welcome to How to Build a Raised Bed Planter on a Budget, episode number 5, Frequently Asked Questions and Resources. In this video, we'll discuss 10 different questions that people may have with a raised bed planter build. We'll invite you to ask any question not covered, and we'll guide you to even more raised bed resources. With me here to help out and to provide the voice of the people is Sally, the Resourceful Mechanic's mother. So without delay, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Resourceful Mother, what is one issue that people may have?
They may be thinking, what if their budget is low?
With this raised bed planter build, you can save 2 to 4 times over the same size raised bed planter build in new lumber or raised bed planter kits. This is one of the lowest cost builds. Build cost as low as 32 cents a square foot. This is a lumber light build where minimal lumber is needed, and you can use reclaimed lumber to save even more money. What would be a second issue that people may have?
What if they don't have a lot of time?
This only takes a few minutes to cut the materials to size. It's a quick materials prep time. It is also a quick assembly time. You can assemble a 4-foot by 10-foot raised bed planter in under an hour. What would be another concern that people may have?
What if they don't have any help?
No help? Well, this could be built by one person, a solo build, with no complicated contractor skills are needed. And this is a true do-it-yourself project. No crew is needed. What would be a fourth concern that people may have?
Some people may wonder if it worked for the garden in available space.
Well, with 2x2, 2x4, 4x4, and 4x10 size raised bed planters, they'll have a lot of flexibility in designing their small garden to fit their needs efficiently. And if they have a large space, like a large homestead to build, they could build rows of 4x10 planters very cost effectively. These planters work great in all conditions. Number 5.
Will it work for their kind of plants?
You can use these for all manner of plants, flowers, fruits, and vegetables. And the tall planter height allows for deep roots.
Is it too much work to build?
It does take some work, and that's a good thing because these will endure and last. But this is a build for you with simple cutting and assembly techniques. No previous knowledge required, and this is a great beginner project. This is a great learning project because the cost of the materials are so low that even if you were to mess something up, it's literally not an issue. And it also uses minimal tools. A cutting tool and an electric screwdriver are all that you need. And you don't need to start with a large homestead. You can build small, just build the planters that you need and grow from there.
Can they get reclaimed materials locally?
They'll have to go to the local metal salvage yard, such as I did, to find out. And there's good news and bad news if they can't get the materials. The good news is this will still be a very low cost build if they have to buy the corrugated paneling there brand new. The bad news is it just won't be a super, super, super low cost build. But if you get the materials new, you'll have some color options that I didn't, whereas I had to paint the materials.
Will dirt come out of the sides of the planter?
A small amount of dirt may come out of the planter when you're filling it, like an ounce or two, but dirt won't run out or gush out or escape once the planter is filled. And those holes can be filled also if desired.
Are the corners and edges sharp?
The corners and edges are not sharp. If you cut the material with the plasma cutter, they'll have a dull and rounded edge. And the top of the raised bed planter is flanged to provide a blunt edge. The corners are open there to put trellis tubing. And if the trellis tubing is there, they'll be filled. So eliminating any exposed edges. But no, the metal and the corners or edges are not sharp.
Do you think there is someone still thinking, will this work?
Probably, but hopefully we've shown them a method that they could build these raised bed planters for very cheap, very quickly, and have some awesome raised bed planters that will last them a long time. New homesteaders or people wanting to build a homestead not using these techniques may find their raised bed planter construction to cost a lot more, take a lot longer, and be a lot harder than it needs to be. Being resourceful, you can make 160 square feet of raised bed planters for as low as $53 on the weekend. For even more raised bed planter information, please go to resourcefulmechanic.com, where you will find our 80-page step-by-step builder's guide, the do-it-yourself modern industrial raised bed planter builder's guide. Have you seen this?
No.
No, yeah. Well, this is an instant download ebook that contains over 70 pages, 50 pictures, a raised bed planter cut list, bonus materials that include 8 videos that shows the build process from start to finish, and it has a walk-in raised bed planter design plan that we showed you in episode number 4. If you found value in this video, could you please like and subscribe, and be sure to share this with someone else that you think it could help. If you have any questions, please let us know by sending us a message or leaving a comment in the comment section below. Do you want to learn some other methods to supercharge your home garden or homestead with little money? Well, check out our next video that will probably be banned, where we show you how to supercharge your homestead. Why would it be banned? We're going to show you some things that'll save you so much time and money, way more than a bootstrap farmer can. Guaranteed. So you don't want to miss it. Do you want to know what's cheaper than a bootstrap farmer? Find out how much money you can save when you get resourceful. Thanks for watching.
And have a nice day.
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.